This is Nerf Gun Reviewer 331 here today, and today's Throwback Blaster of the Month will go to the AccuStrike AlphaHawk series. Sorry, AccuStrike series AlphaHawk. I always get those two mixed up. And this is from Nerf. It features a 5-dart rotating barrel. It is bolt action. I'm not entirely sure about this, but these two pieces for the bolt, here and here, when assembling this blaster in particular, right out of the box, both of these pieces are pretty much like they're out. They're not inserted. And I don't know why, but I think you have the option of keeping one in and just leaving the other alone. Say if you're like left-handed or right-handed, it's a pretty cool feature for the blaster. It makes it so that it's not proprietary, like difference between holding it like this or holding it like this. I'm more of a righty, honestly, and if I do lefty, it feels really weird. So the reason why I chose this blaster for the Blaster of the Month Throwback is, well, because it resembles, I want to say, similar to a long shot. It's bolt action. Long shots and the AlphaHawk blaster are both bolt action. They shoot just standard darts, standard size darts. They have tactical rails. But the only thing that this makes it different than all the others is this has a rotating barrel, so to speak, a rotating barrel that holds 5 darts. And for right now, I have Race Squad Wafflehead darts or AccuStrike darts. And this is also not modified. This is the one blaster I decided not to modify because it's just pretty cool looking. And I don't want to like disassemble it and then go into a bloody panic trying to figure out how to reassemble it. And besides, I like the looks on this blaster. The color scheme's pretty nice. For once, the stock actually it's actually comfortable if I use the stock. Most Nerf blasters I've reviewed, the stock is either too short or too long. This is like perfect. It's the perfect distance. You can aim down on the sights pretty well. The blaster does feature a front sight, but no rear sight, but also one tactical rail on top and one on the bottom. I could totally imagine a foregrip here of some sort, or actually maybe something like this. Oh, that could work. So technically this is a 3D printed piece for a Caliburn foregrip. But for some reason, it slides right into place with the Nerf blaster. Doesn't come out, which is pretty cool. Never knew that. So again, the reason why I chose this blaster was it's just uniquely different than some of the other ones. I mean, the alternator, Zombie Strike alternator, was also unique of its own because you could just flip the barrels, whip them. Between 1, 2, or 3 shooters. Like the alternator could swap from one dart shooter to a 2-dart shooter to a 3-dart shooter, and you can just switch them out as much as you like. Now, the reason why I chose this blaster, I guess it's unique in its own way because it is. It's a rotating barrel, it's bolt action, and it's in the form of a sniper rifle, in my opinion at least, or some sort of marksman rifle. And usually, I have this idea that I always thought that all snipers had a magazine in. Well, I guess this is not the case. However, I don't think this performs as well as it performs kind of well. Compared to a long shot, unmodified. Still works. Nice. So I guess the reason why I chose this blaster, I guess I'm repeating myself too many times, but the general idea is that this is unique in its own way, just like any of the other blasters I've mentioned in the other throwback videos. Like the turret was a shell fed, the barrel break was a resemblance of a weapon back in a video game, Gears of War, I think. This has no resemblance to any video game I've ever seen, or video game weapons that as far as I can tell. Maybe like Black Ops 3, one of the DLC weapons. But aside from that, I really like this blaster because it's, I guess, the appropriate size for a 6'5" giant. And, I don't know, it's just really cool just holding one of these for a while. It's been a while at least. So, but yeah, that's pretty much it. This is for August 2020, just so you know. And I believe that this blaster also had sling attachments. There's one here, but I can't find the other. I know there was another one, but I just don't know where the other sling point attachment is. I guess it's not important, but I think also I think this is gonna look weird, but I think PVC could easily fit into this. If I had PVC. Oh, I do. The right size. Oh, it is the right size. Oh, that could work. Interesting. Alright. Oh, didn't work. But I guess what I'm trying to say is the AlphaHawk was, when I reviewed it at the time, I think I gave it like a between halfway and good score, or perfect score. So it was like, I don't know, 6 or 7.5. I don't remember, to be honest, but that's my guess. But I don't know, it's just like the AlphaStrike, the AccuStrike series blasters had a few good ones, the Falcon Fire for once, for one of them. The AlphaHawk, it's pretty good, but I do want to mention that five darts on a 5-dart barrel will probably burn up pretty quickly, and then reloading this thing is obviously a pain because you have to do the barrel. But, you know, at the same time, if it's very comfortable to hold and aim down and shoot the blaster. And I guess learning something new, that 3D printed attachments work really well with this blaster as well. So if you have a 3D printed foregrip that's meant for Patiniki rails, this will easily slide on it, and for the most part it looks like it's not really, it won't come out unless I just kind of push it out. But yeah, this is just like a really cool blaster of mine, or a really cool blaster from Nerf, my bad. And yeah, that's about it. I think I've done enough praise for this blaster. Thanks for watching, guys. This is Nerf Gun Reviewer 331 signing off for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, understood the video. Hope you guys have a good day, night, life, and everything else. Please comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.